all, welcome back to Design Cafe's YouTube channel. I'm your interior architect Ananya Jois, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon. Well, now that work from home and online classes have become the new normal, we've sort of started to realize the importance of having that ideal study room setup in our own home. Today, we're going to figure out just that. So stay tuned until the end of the video to know what are the key elements that we need to have to fix that perfect work from home setup. You may have a study room, a cozy nook, or even just a transitional space that needs to be converted into a study area. Now, the perfect location makes all the difference, and the perfect way to figure this out is to pick that location which has ample amount of natural light and is also quite comfortable for you to sit and move around while working. Now, if there's a large window close by, that's definitely an added bonus. Now that we finalized the location, let's move on to the furniture that needs to be placed. Now, placing unnecessary furniture is going to make your space look much cluttered if we're dealing with a small space, also giving you a lot of tasks to clean it on a daily basis. So here's how we figure out what are the most important pieces of furniture for a workstation. An ergonomically correct, sturdy desk, ample leg space, enough surface area to accommodate a laptop and a working area. A drawer storage is a definite bonus. Chair. Seating where you can comfortably rest your feet on the ground and elbows can rest easily upon the tabletop without having to hunch your shoulders forward. Make sure that it's not so comfortable that you end up losing focus and falling asleep. Shelves. It's important to have a combination of storage types of different sized cabinets to store your belongings in an organized manner, be it your hefty encyclopedias, favorite storybooks, flimsy files, or even little souvenirs. If there's enough floor space, we could also add movable drawers. Haven't our mothers always scolded us for reading in dim, dull light? I know mine has. So if we read in dull light, it is bound to happen that we feel sleepy and strain our eyes. The best way, of course, is to go for natural lighting, but in places where that is not sufficient, you can always pick for a desk lamp which is at a safe distance from your eyes. And additionally, you can also go for a larger overhead lamp between you and your laptop, and it can perfectly light up your workstation. If you're often feeling restless every time you sit down to work, you never know, the culprit could be the color of your paint. Now, if you're the kind of person who feels agitated or anxious just before an exam or a deadline, then I suggest you go for cool colors like blue or green. Now, this paired with neutrals can make you feel calm and composed and instill productivity. Now, if you're the kind of person who needs a nudge or a push to get working, then go for warmer colors like red or yellow. These stimulate your mind and also instill energy and optimism. Ultimately, keep in mind that it's your space, and hence personalizing it according to your preferences is going to help you stay motivated and focused. But most importantly, have fun along the process, and do let us know in the comment section below as to how you're getting by through this COVID-19 induced work from home situation. If you enjoyed this video, do give us a like, share the love, and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you need help from our expert designers with your interiors, just hit us up with all your details using the link in the description box below. Until next time, see you all.